Ribbit. Hey everybody, it's Kevin again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an interactive jumping frog out of a $1 bill. This is one where it matters where it's pretty crispy and new. You don't want a lot of creases in this one to start with. To get going on it, bend over a corner here, like so, and unfold. Bring down the other corner. Same thing. Crease it. And unfold. And this is helpful to make a crease right here too, right in the center of the X that you just folded there with these two corners. Like so. Then what you want to do is fold those two edges in like that. Squash it flat. Make a couple of triangles. Right along the creases that you made with that X. And you make a point like that. Then bring this edge up, right here. Bring it right up there. And this bill already had a little bit of a crease down the center, but I like to make a half fold just to get a crease so you know where the center is. Because for the next fold, you're going to bring these two corners up, fold them up to the center here, like that. And for this crease, it's very important to make this one good and sharp. Once you've made those good and sharp, unfold. And now you're gonna leave these points out, fold each of the sides down to the center. And again, that's where that center crease comes in handy. You know right where it is. And on the other side, bring that in like that. Okay, so you got that? You made that, you made that. Got a kind of an arrowhead going there. Now, if you notice where you made those creases before, it's right about at the O. Fold down like so. And now this is a little tricky. What you do is you take this edge here, you bring it out, and you're going to fold it out flat like that, so you get another point going. See what I did there? It started out like that, ended up bringing it out like so. And then repeat on the other side. It's this edge here becomes this tip out here. Bring it out like so. And then, okay, got that? It's a tricky fold, it's kind of weird. but you made those sharp creases before, so that helps a lot. Mash it all down flat. And then fold these up like this. Fold his little legs on the back legs there, like so. And his little front legs out, like that. Fold him back along the middle of the one, like so. And then forward. About at the O. So you get a little bit of a accordion there in his back. And this crease you don't have to worry about getting too tight. Kind of leave that as an accordion. So you saw what I did there after I folded the legs. Just fold it over, hold it back at the one, about in the middle of the one, and then forward just before the O. And you have a hopping little frog. And the trick to get him to hop, use a really gentle touch. Push down there and release. You start pushing too hard, it's easy to flip on his back, which is a trick by itself too if you want to impress people. Use a real gentle touch. And it helps if you say ribbit every time. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. You can make a whole swarm of them. Ribbit. Anyway, this is Kevin. Please subscribe and like if you are pleased with what you saw. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you next time.